Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to transfer photos from mobile to laptop or PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. In order to transfer your photos from mobile to laptop or PC, there are actually multiple ways, and the first way is pretty easy. In that you just need to grab your charging cable which you need to connect to your PC and connect its other end to your mobile phone. Then you will see this kind of screen which is showing that our phone is connected to your laptop or PC. Then you just need to go to your notification bar. Here we just need to click on this message, and right here we need to set it on either photo transfer or you can just select the file transfer, just like me. Both are nearly same things, and as you can see, as I click there, you will see that my phone is connected to my PC. And if I click on this PC, this is the phone which we connect to my PC. So let me open it, and from here you can just share your photos from like internal storage from your SD card. Now let me open the internal storage, and I want to transfer my some photos which I clicked by using my camera, so I can just transfer them. If I want to transfer my screenshots, I can just transfer them as well. So basically this is method number 1, where we have transfer our photos by using wired method, and in the second method we can easily transfer our photos by using wireless source. So in that case you just need to install Google Drive or Google Photos onto your phone and upload your files or photos which you want to transfer onto your laptop or PC. Once you do that, log into your Google Photos or Google Drive wherever you have uploaded those photos, and once you log in that, from there you can easily transfer your photos onto your laptop. And yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can transfer your photos from mobile phone to laptop or PC. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.